Hi, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Mr. 𝐓𝐚𝐥𝐤, the CEO of Gabvic Services Limited. I want to ask you a question this morning. Suppose your car is stolen by a thief and you are about to make stand to find it on your own. How will you do it? Or what step will you take to find your vehicle? Are you going after the thief or tracking him by any means? This is the time when you are suffering from the loss of your vehicle with tension. In this situation, if you find the thief on your own, this will take as much longer than you expect, and the chances are the thief can't be found. So, to avoid this kind of hectic and problematic situations, there is a perfect idea of installing GPS car tracking system in your car with our perfect car tracker solution. Are you in the search of vehicle tracking installers? We are at your doorsteps. You can call us on 081 080 43306. We will be at your doorstep for free delivery and free installation by our hands. Thank you. Until I talk to you again. My name is 𝐓𝐚𝐥𝐤.